Map It, helping learners organize and visualize their thinking. Map It is the visual learning strand of the Structural Learning Toolkit. It's built around a simple idea. When learners can organize what they know, they begin to understand it better. And when they can see that knowledge laid out clearly, it becomes easier to build on and remember. Mapping information visually helps learners connect ideas, identify gaps, and structure their understanding. It's especially effective as a pre-writing tool, supporting learners in planning and shaping their thinking before starting a task. It also plays a key role in developing conceptual understanding by showing how different pieces of knowledge relate within a broader picture. Within the toolkit, Map It includes a set of visual templates such as mind maps, flowcharts, cycles, and Venn diagrams. These give learners a structured way to sort, connect, compare, and sequence information at key moments in a lesson or unit. But Map It is not only about using graphic organizers, it's about building a learner's understanding of why they are using a particular structure and when it's most helpful. As learners grow in confidence, they begin to choose the right visual tool for the type of thinking they're doing, whether that's comparing, categorizing, or mapping a process. Teachers can use these resources flexibly, embedding them at relevant points in the learning journey. They can also be used to support dialogue, encourage reflection, and make thinking visible across the classroom. Map It helps learners manage complexity by giving shape to their ideas. It turns abstract thinking into something concrete and supports deeper, more connected learning. In other videos, we'll explore how to use individual Map It tools to support different types of thinking and learning outcomes.